So hello guys, welcome to my channel Super Sankar Star. In this video we are going to talk about GAN Hello timer secrets. It's ultimate smart timer. But you will ask, who cares about timers? Without timers competitions can't be held. Unbox it. Already its full unboxing video is in my channel. I will give you the link of that in our description, and we get some manuals, and this is the charger, and its main thing is it's a smart timer. What about smart? It's smart because it's chargeable. Yeah, so this is our GAN Hello timer, and I don't know why only at the time of GAN Hello timers video shooting the rain started and thunderstorm strikes. I hope this time the electricity doesn't go like the GAN Hello unboxing video. So guys, let's start with the first. It's not a secret, it's everyone knows about it. Just press it and it will on. Our GAN Hello timer is started, and now everyone know about that we have to like put our hands like that, then just we have to hold our cube and do the solve. Okay, but what will happen if we have just solved done and mistakenly reset it? We have not checked. Yeah, what's the time? We have to just press this button. It contains only one button, no another buttons. Like you have to press it 2 times quicker, and you will get your just last solve. Means it was your 5th solve if we calculate average of 5, like 5th, then previous than it was the 4th, and the again if you click like this, it was 3rd, it was 4th, it was 5th. And we have not done any solves like that because we have just started the timer now. So if you click again, you will get your average of 5, which is the best thing here. Double click here 6 times and you will get your average of 5. Here it's 0 because we have not done any type of solves. Okay, here's the secret comes. You have to just click it for some time. You will get here the date. This is the date when I am shooting the video. This is the date you will get. And if you press it again for a long time, yeah, after again pressing it for a long time, you will get to see the time. What's the current time? You can fix it like that. You have to just double click. You will get to like you can change like that. Okay, I think you got it. And the main point comes here, the Hello light. What are these? See, GAN Hello light works in these two. One is left hand side, one is right hand side. If you click on left hand side and press it, you will get the brightness. This is this brightness. You can check this, and this brightness with 3 modes are there. This is first brightness with the blinking. Second one is medium brightness with blinking. Third one is highest brightness with blinking. Now if you click it again 4th time by putting your hand here, you will get the blow light. Okay, this is the first brightness with blow light, means low, and this is the second, means medium brightness with blow, highest brightness with blow. This is here what timer, that light will not come, means full comfort. But some people don't choose it because they will unable to know that timer is on or off. Yeah, so this is first brightness. Then you will tell what is this. It will that when you are clicking on both sides, that timer is starting. But if you like that, means you have just clicked and up to your thumb, then timer will not start because it takes some time to analyze your hand and start the time. And this is the second, means medium one with no light. This is the highest with no light, and it ends with it 3 topic and 3 subtopic each, like that. If we put our hand on right hand side and press it, you will get 1. This one, when you start the timer, you will get, and after 2 seconds you will get this light. And again, this sides, each color have 2 combination. There are 12, means you will get 6 colors are here, and here 4 or 5 colors come repeatedly. See, like that. You can just adjust it like that. This again, this 10, 11, no sorry, 10 means 5. Here 5, and here 2 colors combination of different come again and again repeatedly. That you can adjust with this. There are differently 5 colors, different 5 colors you will get here, and you can adjust like that. I like to keep it this one. Okay, and if like that, oh god, I mistakenly put my hand on the timer, but I don't want to start it now. So what to do? Just click it. Leave your hands. The timer will not start. It will off in 3, 2, 1. Such a magic. Wow. Okay, and it connects with CS timer. You can easily connect this timer with CS timer, as you can see here the Bluetooth icon, and here the charge. If finishes, you have to put in the charger. As you know, these are common sense. I am not going to talk about this. And for Bluetooth connectivity, if you want any video that how to connect GAN Allo timer, I will make a fully A to Z video about that how to connect the Bluetooth GAN timer with CS timer. Just comment below. And if you want 15-second inspection time, what to do? But for that, you have to connect it at first with CS timer. Then you have to just click it. You will get the 15-second time. If you know how to connect, the 15 is how to off the timer. Like boom. So with this, all the secrets of or hidden details of GAN Allo timer are covered. Thank you for watching the video, and like the video and subscribe and on the bell icon for like this informative videos. And if you want any cubing related more videos, you just comment in. Let's meet on the next video. Bye. Thunderstorm is coming.